Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. Massachusetts Air National Guardsman Jack Teixeira, who pleaded guilty to leaking sensitive information online, will face a military court-martial at Hanscom Air Force Base. The Air Force charges allege he disobeyed orders to avoid unauthorized information access and obstructed justice by disposing of devices and deleting messages. Teixeira was previously indicted on 6 federal counts for retaining and transmitting classified documents via Discord and accepted a 16-year prison sentence. Despite his federal conviction, the U.S. military reserves the right to prosecute separately. An evidentiary hearing in May determined the case should proceed to a court-martial. His sentencing is scheduled for September 27th. In other developments, former Philadelphia homicide detective James Pitts, 53, has been convicted of obstruction and perjury for beating a murder suspect to obtain a false confession and lying about it in court. Prosecutors will seek a prison term for Pitts, but the judge denied their motion to jail him until his October 4th sentencing. Pitts, accused of aggressive interrogation tactics in multiple cases, was linked to the wrongful conviction of Obina Onaya, who spent nearly 11 years in prison for the 2010 murder of jeweler William Glatz. Onaya was exonerated in May 2021 after evidence proved his innocence. District Attorney Larry Krasner praised the jury's verdict. In another update, French soldiers and police are being deployed along the River Seine to ensure safety during the Paris Olympics opening ceremony, where thousands of athletes will sail toward the Eiffel Tower. The 6-kilometer Seine stretch will host 320,000 spectators, requiring 45,000 police officers, 10,000 soldiers, drones, sonars, combat divers, and counter-drone systems. The security operation, led by Lieutenant Colonel Olivier, is heightened due to past terror attacks and a recent assassination attempt on Donald Trump. Specialized units will patrol and protect the area, ensuring the safety of Olympians and spectators. A special anti-terrorism perimeter will be implemented to maintain security. In other news, Ohio police officers assisting with security at the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee fatally shot a 43-year-old man, Samuel Sharp Jr., who was armed with 2 knives. The officers intervened when they saw Sharp threatening another man, refusing to drop the knives and charging at the unarmed individual. Despite Sharp's family claiming he had been threatened and criticizing the officers' actions, Milwaukee Police Chief Jeffrey Norman stated that the officers acted to save a life. The incident, occurring just outside the convention's security perimeter, has drawn criticism from local activists and calls for a transparent investigation. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.